Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. In the previous lecture, we studied about the arithmetic mean and how can we calculate the arithmetic mean. And today, we will study about the median and how can we calculate it. So, let's study. So, what is the median? The middle observation from the given data is called the median of the data. That is the middle term, or we can say middle observation from the given data. Okay. Now, let's study an example to understand better. Find the median of the following data. That is, we are given data 25, 34, 36, 12, 26, 18, 40. Now, we will first arrange the data in ascending order. Okay. So, by arranging, we get 12, 18, 25, 26, 34, 36, 40. Okay. Now, here the data is arranged and we will calculate the number of terms, that is number of observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, here n equal to 7, that is on counting all the numbers, there are 7 numbers. So, n equal to 7, which is odd number. So, the formula to calculate the median is equal to n plus 1 by 12 observation. That is, in case of odd number, median is equal to n plus 1 by 12 term. Okay. So, putting the value of n, 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2, 4 term. Now, look in the series, 4 term. First, second, third, fourth. So here 26 is the fourth observation, or we can say fourth term. So here median is 26. Okay, so the answer is 26.